Hello and Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome to Uroosha Tales. Today we are going to make homemade tint in rose and orange color. As you know, आजकल tints का थोड़ा trend चल रहा है and everyone is seeing obsessed with those tints. So why not make them at home? Because store bought they're hell expensive and everyone can't afford that tint. So my video is for beginners as well as those who are obsessed with makeup items. They can make it at home with simple ingredients. Our first one ingredient is glycerine. Second ingredient is red food color. The color that you're using must be liquid, but if you can't find a liquid color like me, so you can use this powder one by converting it into a liquid. Next one is any oil. I am using here almond oil. Another ingredient is orange food color that we usually use in biryanis. Next is rose water, and the last ingredient I have here is my aloe vera gel. So first of all, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I'll start with using aloe vera gel. I filled half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel here. I'll fill a bit more. And you have to thoroughly mix this aloe vera gel until its transparency disappears. Means it is converted into a creamish, opaque thing. Next, you have to add almond oil in it. Let me tell you the quantity. If you have dry skin, you will add 3 drops, and if you have oily skin, you can add 4 drops. My next ingredient is glycerine. Glycerine gives shine to your face and it also gives a highlighting effect. So I'm using just 1 drop of glycerine in it. Now mix it thoroughly till all the things get in a form of a mixture consistency. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of rose water. Here goes the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons are gone and we are gonna mix it properly. So I have dissolved this powdered red into a liquidish one. I have used a half teaspoon of rose water in it. Now let me pour half of this into my red food color. I have saved half of it for the orange food color. And here we go. Again give it a good mix. Check the consistency. It should not be that much runny or it shouldn't be bit thick. It should be just like that. Now after an hour, giving it a rest, I have poured all the liquid tint into one bottle, the reddish one into this and the orangish one into this bottle. And I have swatched it for you. The first one is the pinkish one, as you can see, and second one is the orangish tint. I simultaneously use both of these tints whenever I have to go out by using simple no makeup look. But if you are obsessed with pink, you can make that, and if you are obsessed with the orangish one, you can make that one. That is